Introducing the 2025 Ford Transit 350 medium roof cargo rear-wheel drive. This Oxford White powerhouse is built for the job with a 3.5-liter port fuel and direct injection V6 engine and a smooth 10-speed transmission. It's loaded with essential tools like a high-resolution rear-view camera, heavy-duty front axle, and a bulkhead with a window for added safety and convenience. Book a test drive today at MSA Ford in the Fraser Valley Auto Mall, right here in Abbotsford. Are you ready to take your business to the next level across the Fraser Valley? Whether you're hauling equipment through the streets of Mission or making deliveries near Mill Lake Park in Abbotsford, this Transit is designed to work as hard as you do. With a 148-inch wheelbase and a 9,500-pound gross vehicle weight rating package, it's the ultimate partner for any local professional. This van is packed with functional upgrades, including a 3.73 limited-slip axle and dual 70-amp-hour batteries. Loading up is a breeze thanks to the 253-degree opening doors, a side running board, and D-pillar assist handles. This model features single rear wheels with silver steel and lugs. Inside, you'll find a wall liner kit, tie-down cargo hooks, and rear compartment lighting to keep everything organized and visible. For your comfort and tech needs, it features Sync 4 with Bluetooth, electronic air temperature control, and a large center console for all your paperwork. Safety is also a priority, with orange safety belts, the anti-lock braking system, and the advanced track system with roll stability control. One question we often get is, what kind of power options and cargo protections does this Transit offer for long workdays? Based on the equipment listed, this vehicle comes prepared with a 110-volt, 400-watt power outlet for your tools and a heavy-duty scuff plate kit to protect the floor. It also includes an engine block heater for those chilly Fraser Valley mornings and a front overhead shelf to keep your essentials within reach. You also get the Select Shift automatic transmission and an easy fuel capless filler for maximum efficiency. Short-arm power-heated mirrors and variable interval wipers also ensure you have a clear view no matter what the BC weather throws at you. MSA Ford, serving the Fraser Valley for 75 years.